Alright guys, this is Project Cobra with Leap Gaming, and I'm going to show you how to install your Elgato HD 60 Pro or 4K 60 Pro. I have the 4K 60 Pro already pre-installed in my computer when I bought it, but I have my HD 60 Pro case from when I installed my old one into my old computer. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to have to go to the back of your computer. I have mine laying on its back so I can show y'all a better video on how to do it. First thing you're going to have to do, you have to go in here and you're going to have to remove one of these little spacers. They're just there to make it look better in the back side so you're not having this big gap. I already have a spacer out because I took out the HD60, not the HD60 but the 4K 60 Pro. And what you're gonna need is a small screwdriver, Phillips head. See if I can get that to focus real quick. Doesn't look like it's gonna work. But you need a Phillips head, and then you have to make sure you have a space ready for it like this. I have this cord in the way because I have no idea why they have it there. But you need to make sure everything's out of the way first. And then in your box, if you get the HD60 Pro, it will come with two sets of these. Let's see if I can get it out. In and out covers. And depending on how your computer's sitting, if it's sitting to the left or to the right, you have one for each side. So first thing you'll want to do is get this hooked up to your HD60 Pro, and it actually takes a screw. See, these two screws at the top is what holds this plate in. Next thing you want to do is make sure you have it correctly. Make sure you have everything out of the way. See if I can get this set up to where y'all can see me putting this in. So I'm moving this cable out of the way. I'm making sure all these prongs are lined up where they need to be before I set it in place. All I have to do is push it down in there, make sure it's in the right spot, and you come over to the back side. This is where you're going to need your Phillips screwdriver. These will come with the HD60 Pro or 4K 60. Place this in this hole. And then you finish screwing it all in. There's nothing much to it. That's all it is. You just have to unplug it. You just got to make sure you have a space open for it, which is normally right below your graphics card. And that's all you have to do. You just got to make sure it sits in the hole right. You got to make sure it plugs in right. You make sure it's all the way up against the back. Make sure all your screws are in, and make sure you ain't got nothing in the way. And that is how you install the Elgato's HD60 and the HD60 Pro. Well, HD60 Pro and the 4K 60 Pro. Thank you.